India, Charles Tondo, all the way from Ipoh, Thomas.
Of course, the bigger picture is getting a world title shot.
12 rounds of boxing Super Bantamweight Championship.
Guy like Charles Tondo kasi he is the more natural. He's the
In black trunks with white trims.
napaka-importante niya yun. Na ito na si Carl James Martin dito sa
Back with a
natin that this is scheduled for 12 rounds.
19 fights with 16 knockouts.
This is a bad sign for Charles Tondo. He's too flat-footed. Good footwork. The rate coming from, you can see that Carl James Martin opening to expose this one dimension.
Looking for him to vary his attacks and go.
He's trying to tag ito na nga with jabs itong katawan. Ayun, left straight to Tondo.
Right on cue, Carl James Martin going and giving Charles Tondo something to think about.
Shoso, yung composure, not really that reckless.
Right. We begin round number 2 here at Battle of
Check hook.
and both fighters are southpaws.
That's a good body shot. Southpaws.
Yes. You know what?
Similar to orthodox. Mas gamay nila kung tutuusin. But has the speed, has the power, and has the much better footwork.
Right.
Carl James Martin mula doon sa 1-2 coming from Charles Tondo. Ang ginawa ni Carl James Martin.
His spots. And that's a good right from
In partner.
It'll be his last fight here in the Philippines as he
Not to sugarcoat it, but I'm seeing a calculation.
that's a great watch of the round on his back foot. Minsan ready to begin round number 3. Scheduled for 10 rounds. Super bantamweight belt.
Bring it on,
To
sabi
bring
ni
it on, yes. Napatras doon si Carl James.
somehow showing some evasive.
Both boxers looking in great condition as we see Charles Tondo letting his hands go. Oh, that's all right. There's a good right, Martin. Restoring it on against Martin, who is thin. And it's somehow fired up etong si Charles Tondo.
But still, he's living up to the Tondo name, us coming from Carl James Martin.
Again, Martin. Tondo trying.
This is a good round for Charles Tondo. Asserted himself in the fight.
And Zania. His offense as he etong si Carl James Martin forward again.
Si Martin needs to at least vary his. It was helpful. He's a bit he's not that comfortable pag siya yung nasa receiving end.
Right.
Correct.
He got frustrated. He got reckless.
But I just want to see him just to stick with his game plan. It's good that
Tondo is getting fired up. He hold on to him. Dalawang Martin and Tondo, and they are. Martin, that's another good body. Last 10 seconds of this round. Begin round number 5, and Charles Tondo.
inviting.
Yes, as they may be, they appreciate that. Tondo as he shrugs off Carl James Martin's offense there.
Nag-iisa ko dito, lalaban ako.
Martin, you can see that look in his eyes. That's from Charles Tondo.
Martin's pace favors Carl James. Charles Tondo.
to find his moments dito sa round number 5. And we are headed into who can have the last fight of the 5th round. With
The box.
and Charles Tondo for the WBA Asia Super Bantamweight.
The corner of Carl James Martin.
But that is what Charles Martin on the back pedal. Here comes Carl James Martin. Sa
Felt it.
and a shot to the body. Shot to the body. Tinatargetan ni Martin.
Here comes Martin
Just
from the first round.
from the very first round, right?
Seat right now, partner. Martin Noel.
He has clearly taken the steering wheel off of Charleston.
Martin tries to go full throttle here in the 6th round, partner.
Martin driving. Eto pong si Charles, 15 seconds.
Martin has 15 seconds left.
Kamay.
Less than a dominant round.
Etong si Charles Tondo seemingly had control of the fight. Partner, napapansin mo, nakababa na yung kamay. Number 7. Double jab from Martin and then he goes to the...
He has to sustain that. At least 3 punches back. Then
I-wrist ba?
oh, or James Martin.
But on that receiving end.
Kailangan kasi
now-
alam din ni Carl James Martin the only way to hurt.
Tondo now seems to be very fixed.
Carl James Martin has yet to deliver a body shot here.
And here he is again on the ropes.
Ayun, medyo bumato, but that's alam ni Carl James Martin. If he hurts the...
Oh. And that's a good left straight.
Backward. I'm a bit skeptical here, partner.
You know, Martin left him off the hook. Right? Let's find out dito sa round number 8 if...
And Carl James Martin are giving this a hard time, partner.
Goal. And Martin begins the... Mixing the jab. Another one. But Martin, eto, bumabato na naman sa katawan. That's a solid left. Martinez to land that will keep Carl James Martin.
Martin trying to go down, and he knows the vulnerability is in the midsection.
And fewer of those body shots.
That's a good uppercut there. Thanks, partner.
Round number 8. We are now in the 9th round.
Ang round number 9. Martin with a good... Napapansin mo, parang nag-iba na si Carl James Martin here.
Oh, in a big way.
He has a lot of caution ito sa round na to. We still have 90 seconds left. That's a good double jab. Oh, that's straight left.
Here in the final minute of round number 9. We are heading into the final 20 seconds of to reach this point. Round number 10, mga kaibigan. Martin has made it a point to start.
Parang by a hair lang yung distansya nila.
Martin going back to the body. Ito namang si Tondo going back.
Round. Pero partner, kahit sabihin natin
Somehow stops etong si Martin on his track. Martin misses with a haymaker there.
mo partner, napaka-loyal ni Carl James Martin sa round na
Fight.
ito.
At bumaba yung mga yung depensa nitong si
Ito yung mga flurry of body shots na yan. This is dangerous. This is a dangerous. Mapapansin mo, medyo niluluwa ni Charles Tondo yung mouth guard.
Punches of the 10th round. The final 2 rounds. I know he wants to finish this. Round number 11 is underway ni Carl James Martin. Kanina sa round 10 nakita natin left coming from Martin. Iniinda niya yung body shot na yon from Carl.
That's
Well, although may moments na mukhang bibigay na siya pero nakaka... An uppercut from the field. Iniluluwa na naman yung kanyang
mouth guard.
mouth guard.
Ladies and gentlemen,
How his
this is
corner's
round number
instruction is being
Who would
recorded.
have thought?
Martin, yun pong iba-ibang attacking binibitawan niya. We have seen yes, talagang gustong-gusto niyang bigyan ng ano.
Trying to give the crowd what they want. Tinatanggal na ni Tondo yung
Oo.
mouth guard. At least,
Kumukuha na po ng hangin. Eto, dito sa final minute ng round number 12.
for Charles Tondo to go 12 rounds. A good check right hook.
Free called for a break of action. Care off. Uling bahagi na po ng round number 12. Outburst here. And he is doing so. A heart shown by Charles Tondo, partner.
Exactly.
118, 110. For your winner, by